video. So I'm in the room, my new room that I showed you guys. So you guys can just never excuse the echo for a while. So I decided that I'm going to set up the TV. I was going to do it later, but they say, you know, I'm not going to do it. So just in case anything is wrong, I can bring it back. So I'm going to plug it in. Alright guys, so plug it in. This is the remote. Alright, so I finally got the batteries open. Alright, so we're going to turn on the TV, guys. When I was at PRICESMART, it took a while to turn on, so I'm going to do this next time. Excuse the noise, guys, because with the echo here and then downstairs, just, yeah. So I paused the video to put in the Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi is in. The Wi-Fi is in, I'm just waiting for it to come up now. Oh, and this is the QLED. So apparently the guys said the QLEDs are a bit different where when you're watching horror movies or dark scenes it shows more. And even when I'm playing game, which I will be, I will see more. 1 minute guys. Alright guys, so the TVs are set up. I'm just going to go on YouTube and play a video so I can actually see it, okay? Hey guys, I'm back in PRICESMART, but this isn't a regular grocery shopping. This is just picking up some things to carry down to country, because we're going country weekend Sunday. This Sunday coming, we're going to mommy country, which is St. Anne, because we already went to St. Elizabeth. We don't have any. Alright guys, I'm trying to see if I'm seeing any Christmas stuff, but I'm not seeing any. I don't know if it's the case where I'm finished or they're waiting till month end to restock or sometime later, but I'm not seeing any. Not seeing it at all. Oh guys, I wanted to check for the Ninja Creamy. Guys, I was looking for the Ninja Creamy but I don't see it. I'm starting to wonder if it's only the Redis or branch have it, because the one at Portmore, I just never seem to come across it. Yeah. I'm not seeing a Christmas something right now. I'm not seeing nothing Christmassy either, so I wonder if them sold out or what. I just don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go back, go look on the sheets, and then I'll go back on. Hey guys, welcome back to the other part of the video. So I took a nap. I still didn't get to bake, which I wanted to do, guys. Anyway, when I take the baking, I go on. I don't know which video yet, but it's going to happen. So I'm actually going to head on the road just to get some gas. It's 7:25 now and I have work later. So seeing that me just out here, I'm just gonna get the gas and come back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a little reset in the kitchen, just tidy it up, and then I'll comb my hair because my hair is looking awful now. Like I can't wear this guy, this look bad. So I'm just going to put everything in one, and I end the vlog there. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, it's gonna be a few minutes for me, but I'll see you guys in Alright guys, so I'm all done with the kitchen. I never get to sweep out. Somebody else will do that. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready now. So I'm gonna comb my hair. It's almost 8:30. It's a good thing I did buy the gas already. So I'm just gonna comb my hair, shower, and then head out. So as I said, I'm just gonna catch it up in one. So I'm just gonna spray a little water to loosen it up a bit. So just spray a little water because I don't like brushing my hair dry. I don't like, well, man, I don't comb it out. I just straight up in the one it I got anyways. This video is going to be a little late, but you guys will get it today nonetheless. The good thing is that I edit it up until this point, so it's just a quick edit and then upload. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a little of my Don't Shrink curling gel. I'm actually trying to finish it. This much is left, and I'm trying very hard to finish it. It smells good and everything, but it flakes, and I want to try something else. So I'm just gonna finish it, and then I try a new product. My hair feel it the first time I did feel loose, so I tighten it. Listen, a night shift normally I'm gonna try to catch it up better than this, but I'm in a rush and I can't really stop right now, so this will just have to do. Alright, that have to do. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. As usual, thank you so much for staying to the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.